Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Zen, the big boy for today, right? Guys, thank you so much for keeping up with the videos, having notifications on and so forth, man. If you're not yet subbed, be sure to click that sub button. And if you like this video, make sure you click the like button as well. It helps the algorithm out. We are growing every single day. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. And that's why I'm continuing to do content pretty much every single day. So go follow me on Twitter as well, now that you're here. It is CryptoAudiKing. The link is down below in the description. So guys, today we did see a great upward move on the Zen price for the ERC20 token. So you guys see on the screen, it is right here, this candlestick. It's green, it looked good and bright. That wick went up as far as a 30 to 33% price increase, which is amazing. Yesterday, I said, if you watched yesterday's video, you would know. I said the RSI was pretty much indicating we're bottoming out, okay? And the support level was around that 8.5-ish area. It did perfect. This was a perfect play. I couldn't say it, but I hope you guys got the hint on the video. Pretty much I was trying to tell you to get in, all right? But I cannot tell you. I'm not a financial advisor. Put in what you can afford to lose, because it is crypto. It is pretty much gambling. It's a risk. So if you could afford a couple $10, $20, whatever, right? It's worth the risk. If you don't know where to buy, there's multiple exchanges. Using Conga right now, it is amazing. It's a great platform. I send over my PLS, swap it to whatever I need to, or I can just withdraw it to my wallet and continue doing mints. If you're interested into using Conga, the link is going to be down below in the description. The market is dipping down a good amount, but Zen is in green. That's in my point, and I think that's a really, really good sign. So yeah, we are back up to the 1064 area. We're trying really hard to get above the 1334 MA. It's trying to get like a super bullish move. But this bounce right here was a very strong bounce. The RSI literally spiked right on top, okay? I was going back into this area. I even have, oops, I moved it a little bit. I even had it highlighted for a few videos already. Go back, check out the previous videos. You guys know I'm not making anything up. I keep pretty much everything on here so you guys can see, and I'm transparent as much as I can. I did delete the little U move right here because I was like, it's not really technical analysis whenever it's like I'm trying to predict this right here. It was more like a smaller prediction based off of the tweet of Jack. So that didn't really work out as good. So going back to the actual technical analysis based off of the support and resistance, the 1334 as well as the RSI, it literally went perfectly to what I was saying, okay? Look at this right here. This RSI hit this 32 level, I think it was. We were almost at that oversold level. We just barely touched this little nick, that white outer line. That right there was around 30. We barely touched it, and then boom, we hit a green candle. Finally, I have seen that Jack is missing. He's MIA. He hasn't sent out a single tweet. But literally right before I pushed recording, he sent out a tweet. Okay, he did just one small tweet, and I think it was in another language. I haven't read it, or I saw it, but I haven't translated the tweet, so I don't know exactly what it says. So if you guys know, comment down below. While you're commenting down below, it does help the algorithm, the YouTube video, for it to get more exposure. So you're doing the channel a favor. You're getting the community bigger. So I really do appreciate that. But as of right now, for the price, it seems like we have to go above this area around 1192. 1177 is where I want to see Zen start pushing, okay? I'm going to draw the line, okay? I want to see this go. Now, I bet you some of you guys are probably like, why'd y'all draw that line, so on and so forth. I'm going based off of this over here as well, because there's that big green candle right here where it touched and it broke out to the resistance. It came back down and then it broke out. So that's what I'm going based off of as well. So hopefully we see the same pattern as well. We start hitting upward on top of here, same pattern as in the back. We go retest the support level, the resistance level, sorry, and we most likely will have a retest, come back down, and hit higher, just like this pattern right here. But could this be the start of another 10x move? We looks like we bottomed out. I've been trying to tell you guys pretty much what's been going on. My strategy, I've been trying to tell you guys, and I've seen a lot of tweets about like it's a crime to zoom out all the way to the far into the Zen. It's a crime. It's a crime. I find it so funny, yo. So I'm gonna stay zoomed in just for you guys, all right? But look at this. We bottomed out way over here, pretty much close enough to where we are at, and look at that. Boom, we just skyrocketed, right? So back to this right here, we could be looking at the beginning of some crazy gains. A lot of people are saying, you know, the haters, fudders, all them people are saying 33%. Wow, it's a big move. So, you know, it ain't even that big, so on and so forth. But if you really put two and two together, all right, Zen claims are 33% more profitable. If you're getting $300 yesterday, today would have been 33% more. So a third of that more. So about $100, $130 more than what it was a day or two ago. So you got to put that into consideration as well. A lot of burnings coming up. The DB Zen NFTs, great projects. Multiple projects are about to launch. Zenify, I think it is, as well as multiple great burning mechanisms that are going to be happening. So I'm looking forward to that as well, which it will trigger. Most likely it will trigger these two resistance levels right here. So I am going to be keeping an eye out on this level throughout the whole entire week, might as well. It's going to be interesting the next week, 2 weeks, to see what Zen price will do. We got to be patient. If you're still claiming mints, I would not suggest selling your Zen at these levels. There's no point. Literally, why would you? Okay. If you hold on to these coins, diamond hands, they're going to be like 5x, 10x, 20x. If you would have been holding these for the next few months, right, or next weeks, it really just depends. You know, that's totally up to the Zen price, the Zen community. To all of us combined. So I'm super excited, man. I'm still claiming all of mine. I just got done claiming 400 million Zen under Pulse Chain on this wallet. I claimed 150 million AVAX Zen. Man, I'm so many mints, man. It's crazy. I have Polygon mints that I claimed today around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Evmos mints start when do they start? The 19th, I think, or something like that. That's whenever I'm gonna be claiming Evmos maxed out. I think it's 2 maxed out Zen NFTs every day from then on to next September of 2024. I know that one's gonna be every single day around 8:30, 8 o'clock at night. So that's gonna be claimable every single day. I have Avalanche every 4 days is gonna be claimable. Polygon Max Zen NFTs are claimable every 2 days. I have Binance Zen NFTs. I think the VMUs on Binance are like 5 or 10 on some wallets, and other ones I have 20s and 50s. And that's going to be every 5 days. Yeah. PLS is really good though. Every 2 days. And then at day 400, if I remember correctly. I have so many Zen NFTs and wallets and claims. It's crazy to remember everything, okay? And I think on day 300 or 400, I'm going to be claiming as Centurion every day until like 90 days or something like that. So that's going to be very good. If you guys are curious, right now, you're going to get approximately, I know the price will vary because it is still like a year far away, but as of right now, a maxed out Centurion on Pulse Chain for Zen, you're going to get approximately 3.8 to 4 billion Zen, which is about $84 at the current price. If Zen does even a 2x from here till day 300 or 400, whichever day it is, I would be looking at 160. If it does a 10x, it's possible, right? If it does a 10x, I would be making $900 every single day right? So that's incredible to think. Long term, diamond hands, it's possible. I believe in it. A lot of people are going to talk trash and say it's not doable. You know, no way, too much Zen, you're going to be selling too much. There's too much sell pressure, so on and so forth. But only the true believers and the diamond holders will be successful. Those that sacrificed both time and money to mint, you know, patience, all that stuff, we will benefit from that. We will win at the end of the day. You know, I don't care what people say. I don't care what haters are going to comment down below in this video. Say what you want to. It's still going to help the algorithm out a lot. So I'm looking forward to it, man. I have so much Zen from now until next September. Some of them are all the way to like October now, because of, you know, the ranking and all that stuff, how that works. The term days have increased already dramatically. So I'm set, man. I really am. Now it's just diamond hands, diamond hands, diamond hands. And I hope you guys are doing so. I hope you guys loaded up whenever I was pretty much pushing out videos about this area right here. And I was trying to signal you guys to get in, but only a few of you probably listened. And that's perfectly fine. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I love you. Click the like button, subscribe. Check out Conga Exchange in case you want to get some PLS instead of bridging. You have to deal with all that. The link for Conga is going to be down below in the description. But guys, take it easy. I'm out. Peace.